بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. کیسے پیارے بچوں؟ آئی ہوپ یوڈ بی فائن. آج ہم ایکسرسائز 4D کا کویشچن نمبر 2 سالو کریں گے. ٹھیک ہے، یہ بھی کویشچن نمبر 1 کی طرح ہے. کویشچن نمبر 1 میں ہم نے ڈسکس کیا تھا کس طرح سے ہم نے پوائنٹس لینے ہیں، کس طرح سے ان کو پلاٹ کرنا ہے، اور کس طرح سے ہم نے اپنی ایکس اور وائی کی ویلیو فائنڈ کرنی ہے. تو آج بھی ہم یہی کرنے لگے ہیں. ٹھیک ہے، اس کے اندر ہم نے دیکھنا ہے کہ کس طرح سے ہم اسٹیپ بائی اسٹیپ اس کو سالو کریں گے. ٹھیک ہے، اسٹارٹ کرتے ہیں کویشچن نمبر 2 پارٹ اے سے. اوکے. So in part A we have two equations, x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0 and 4x minus y is minus 18, 4x plus y minus 18 equals 0. First of all we will move this constant to the other side. It will become x plus 4y is equals to 12. ठीक है, same here. 4x plus y is equals to 18. Now we will do the same procedure we have done in question number 1. ٹھیک ہے, nothing new. بس ہم کیا کریں گے, یہاں پر x کی ویلیو سپوز کریں گے and we will find the corresponding values of y. So let's suppose x is equals to 0. When we take x is equals to 0, it will be 0 plus 4y is equals to 12, which is 4y equals 12, and so y is equals to 12 upon 4, which is 3. So the first value we are getting for y is 3. ٹھیک ہے. اچھا, اب یہاں پر ہمارے پاس 4 ہے, تو ہم یہاں پر کوئی سا بھی ایسا نمبر لیں کہ جو 4 سے ڈیوائڈ ہو سکے. ٹھیک ہے, کیونکہ ہمیں الٹیمیٹلی یہاں پر 4 سے ڈیوائڈ کرنا ہے. تو اگر ہم x کی ویلیو یہاں پر لیٹ سے 4 لیتے ہیں, یا -4 لیتے ہیں, یا 8 لیتے ہیں, یا -8 لیتے ہیں, تو الٹیمیٹلی وی ول گیٹ اے ویلیو وچ ول بی ڈیویزیبل بائی دا نمبر وی آر گوئنگ ٹو گیٹ اوور ہیئر. سو لیٹس ٹیک x از ایکولس ٹو 4. ٹھیک ہے, when we will take x is equals to 4, it will be 4 plus 4y is equals to 12. Then we will move this 4 to the other side. It will become 4y is equals to 12 minus 4, which is 8. And so y is equals to 8 upon 4, that is 2. So we are getting the value of y is equals to 2. Now let's take x is equals to -4, and then let's see what answer do we get. So if we take x is equals to -4, it will be -4 plus 4y is equals to 12. Then we will move -4 to the other side. It will become +4, and so it will be 12 plus 4, which is 16. So we will get 4y is equals to 16, and then when we will divide it, we will get y is equals to +4. So in this case, we are getting y is equals to +4. So here we can make a table for x and y. We have taken the values of x as -4, 0 and 4. When we took -4, we have got +4. When we took 0, we got x y is equals to 3. And when we got +4, we got y is equals to 2. So these are the values of y we are getting. So let's solve the second equation the same way. 4x plus y is equals to 18. Here we have 18. And if we suppose the value of x as 1, when we will move it to the other side, it will be subtracted. So let's take the same values. Let's take -4. No, not if we will take -4, so it will become -16. When moved to the other side, becomes 18 plus 16, which gives us a very big number. So let's take a positive number. Let's take +4. 4 4s are 16. And when we will subtract it to the other side, it gives us +2. Okay, let's take another value. Let's take 3. So it will be 12. 12 plus y is equals to 18, and so y is equals to 18 minus 12, which is 6. And then let's take another number which is again big. Then let's take 5. X is equals to 5. So 4 5s are 20. And when we will move it to the other side, it will be 18 minus 20, which is -2. So let's make a table for the values of x and y here as well. We have taken the values of x as 3, 4, 5. When we took 3, we got 6. When we took 4, we got 2. When we took 5, we got -2. So these are the values we are having for the two equations. Now let's plot them. Let's figure out the largest and the smallest values of x and y. So we have the smallest value of x minus 4 and the largest value is 4, and here the smallest value of x is 3, and here it is, the largest value is 5. So the range we will take will be between minus 4 negative to positive 5 on the x-axis, and for y-axis the values are 4, 3, 2 and 6, 2, minus 2. The smallest is minus 2 and the largest is 2. So we will take the values from minus 2 up to 6. Okay. Now we have to decide the scale. So you can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. So we will not take 2 centimeters 1 unit. We will simply take 1 centimeter 1 unit. Okay, that's enough. And on the y-axis again we will take 1 centimeter 1 unit like this, because we have to go up till 6 and down up till minus 2. So here's how we will take the values on the y-axis. The scale we are using on both x-axis and y-axis is 1 centimeter represents 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the x-axis on the opposite side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. And down it is minus 1 and minus 2, because the smallest value of y is minus 2, and above it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's plot the points. Always use a sharp pencil or sharp yes, use a sharp pencil. Acha, the first value of the first equation x plus 4y minus 12 equals 0 is minus 4 comma 4. So we will plot the first point. Minus 4 means from here we will move to the left side, minus 4, and then for positive 4y we will go up here. This is minus 4 comma 4. Let's plot the points. Sometimes the students get confused that we have 4 here as well. So we will not go to the positive 4 because the first coordinate is x and it's negative. So we will go to the left side and then we will go up because the y coordinate is positive. The second value is 0 comma 3. Whenever the x coordinate is 0, we will not move to the left or right. We will either go up or down for the y coordinate, and that's 3. So this is the second value, 0 comma 3. Okay? This is not 0 comma 3. This is 3 comma 0. So don't get confused. This is 0 comma 3. 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 0 comma 5, 0 comma 6. 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0. Similarly, minus 1 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, minus 3 comma 0, minus 4 comma 0. Similarly, here it's 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 2. So on the y-axis, all the first coordinates, the x coordinates are negative 0. Okay? On the x-axis, all the y coordinates, the second coordinate is 0. The third point is 4 comma 2. For 4 we will go to the right and 2 we will go up. So this is the third point we are having. Now we will simply join the points. So you will see that we will get a straight line. A straight line shows that we have got the correct points, because all the lines on a straight line means they belong to the same equation. So this is the third point we are getting, which is 4 comma 2. And this is the intersecting point because we are also having the same point in the second equation. Let's plot it as x plus 4y minus 12 is equals to 0. Now the second equation has the points 3 comma 6. For 3 we will go here, and for 6 we will go up. So this is the first point, 3 comma 6. The second point is 4 comma 2, the same one we have already plotted. And the third point is 5 comma 2. For 5 comma 2 we will go right and then down. So here's the third point. Now let's join them, and you will again see that we are getting a straight line. Here you go. So we have got the straight line and the intersecting point. This is the answer. So let's plot it here. This is 4x plus y is minus 18 is equals to 0. The answer to this equation will be 4 comma 2. X is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2 for both of these equations. So we will write this down over here, and then we will write the solution is x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. Okay, this is the answer.